Good evening. You look tired. Not tired in your bones, necessarily, but tired in your spirit. You have been running from something, haven't you? Or perhaps you have been running towards something all day, and now, in the quiet hours, you feel a strange pull from a world that exists only in the dark. Most people ignore this pull. They close their eyes and fall into a black void, only to wake up and forget. But that is a tragedy, for that void is not empty. It is a jungle, a cathedral, a basement. It is the landscape of the soul. You see, we are not masters of our own house. We are merely the captain of a small ship on the surface of a vast ocean. That ocean is the unconscious. It is deep, it is powerful, and it is filled with creatures we have never seen. When you sleep, the boat is moored, and you are invited to dive into the depths. Dreams are not just fantasies. They are letters. They are telegrams from the hidden parts of yourself. I do not dream about you. The dream is you. If you go into the forest, you will meet the inhabitants. Do not be afraid. That monster hiding in the dark, that is your shadow. It is the part of you that you locked away because you thought it was too ugly. But it is not your enemy. It is your storage room of power. And that beautiful figure you sometimes see in your dreams, the one who makes you feel alive or heartbroken, that is the contrasexual soul. It is guiding you to wholeness, to a marriage of your inner opposites. These are not just people. They are archetypes. They are the ancient patterns of humanity living inside your blood. When the dream repeats, it is because you are not listening. The psyche is screaming at you. If you have a dream of a flood, it is not about the weather. It is about the emotion you are suppressing. If you dream of a dying animal, it is not about the zoo. It is about the instinctual life you are murdering in yourself. You must learn the language of the soul. A house is not a house. A key is not a key. They are symbols. Stop asking, what does this dream mean for my job? Ask instead, what is the great myth trying to be born within me? When you go to sleep tonight, I want you to do something. Do not just fall into the bed. Place a notebook and a pen by your side. Before you close your eyes, ask the darkness a question. Ask, what do I need to know? And when you wake up, do not move. Do not jump out of bed. Lie still. Hold on to the tail of the dream before it swims away. Write it down. The unconscious is not a demon to be exorcised. It is a friend to be welcomed. Go now. Meet yourself. Good night.